Emjondolo yaseMakausi eJamestown empumalanga yeGauteng umuntu oyedwa ushonile kwalimala abathathu kathi isihlahla siwela phezulu komjondolo. UAngel Mtolo uthi ubecele indawo yokufihla ikhanda endlini kathi umufi ewelwa isihlahla. Uthabaza ukuthi bazothatha ini bayihlanganise nani kulandela ukucekeleka phansi kwemjondolo kanye nempahla.
Ndive useleko ekhala. Sithi ngicela nincede. Ethembelihle. Andike ndibabheka abantwana bam isihlahla sibethe kubo kanje naphuma. Qale namemeza umakhelwane lo wangapha. Nabo bonke abaphayo emakhelwane lathi ngicela bancede.
Uthi ucela uhulumeni ungenelele njengoba kulindeleke ukuba isimo sezulu siqhubeke nokuba sibi. ENorthern Cape kushona abantu ababili kanti isikhungo seyinhlekelele esifundazweni sithi sizojuba amasosha eSANDF ukulekelela ngeinsiza kulandela izikhukhula.
We are working very closely with the South African, with the SANDF, so that we are able to augment the resources in the municipality space.
eKapa kushona umuntu oyedwa kanti izakhamuzi ziyaxwayiswa kuba zihlale ziqaphe isimo kulandela ukumenyezelwa kwezikhukhula esezingeni lesishagalombili kwezinye izindawo esifundazweni. Lezi khukhula seziholele ekucimeni kukagesi, ukuvala kwezikole ezingaphezulu kwekhulu kanye nokucekeleka phansi kwengqalasizinda.
Since about 4 o'clock this morning, we've received heavy rainfall right through the district, mostly the eastern parts. So looking at areas affected is Oudtshoorn, George, Knysna and Plet, not so here the western parts. What we've done is, as you've indicated, schools has been closed proactively, and we've got people on standby right through the district, monitoring low water bridges, monitoring roads. We had to close Meyrenspoort. Swartberg Mountain Pass has also been closed, and there is some pooling on some of the internal roads. There's been trees uprooted close to Plet on the N2.
Izikhungo ezilawula izinhlekelele esifundazweni zithi besingakabibikho isidingo sokuba abantu bayiswe ezindaweni eziphephile. ENorthwest khona kushona oyedwa ngemuva kokuminza kanti abashayeli bayaxwayiswa ukuba bashayele ngokucophelela kulandela ukuvalwa kweminye imigwaqo.
Re tswa mo Vryburg re fetela site ya Kurumane ka mashwa ra khona go heta ka gore tsela e tletse metsi mo tseleng. So re ile ra boa ona metela na le mantsi thata ke molapo a metsi le gore ke re ka koloi engwe le engwe ka se khone go etela le traka e ka se khone go heta. No thank you. So ya ra boa re boela Vryburg.
Tsela e feng e le yang go e dirisa le gore yone le itse fa seemo sentse jang?
Unfortunately ga gona tsela pere ka khona go e dirisa no yana even le ya Taung ha re sa khona go e dirisa le one tshwetshi. Okay.
Kusenjalo eEastern Cape eGqeberha nakhona kuvalwe izikole kanye nemigwaqo kulandela izikhukhula.
We have minor accidents with minor injuries. It is called for nature, so it's something that no one could control and it is a fault of no one. As you are aware, as disaster, we have to prevent, but if you fail to prevent because of a natural cause, we actually have to make sure that we mitigate, make sure the impact is not that dire.
Izakhamuzi zakuleli ziyaxwayiswa ukuba zihlale ziqaphile futhi zishayele ngokucophelela njengoba isimo sezulu singakazinzi.